Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and cancel your Microsoft subscriptions. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access your Microsoft.com in your browser section and get into this official website of Microsoft. Afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, get logged in over here, then tap on your profile icon on top left corner, right corner, tap on this My Microsoft Account option, and then once you see this kind of interface, what you're gonna do, you're gonna tap on this option, the three dot given beside your info. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will give you an menu option called privacy, security, payments and billing, including service and subscriptions, which we need. Tap on this service and subscriptions, and this will simply open up this kind of interface, including all of the information, which you can see Microsoft 365 family, all of the subscription and the plan right now. So let's say if you have been using one of them, you will find those subscription info first. Tap on that, tap on this change a plan if you would like to change plan to another, or if you like to cancel, tap on this cancel subscription. Then you will have to enter your reason for it and then confirm your subscription cancellation by tapping on the cancel anyways confirmation regarding cancellation. Once you have to confirm it, then you will be able to simply cancel your subscription, any of the plans or subscription from your Microsoft like that. This is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.